Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to show you how just 5 minutes can help you crush your diet goals in 2025. You heard that right, just 5 minutes. We're not talking about some magic pill or crazy workout routine. This is about making small changes that make a big impact. We'll walk you through simple, actionable steps you can integrate into your daily life, no matter how busy you are. From prepping your meals like a pro to understanding why sleep is your secret weapon, we've got you covered. Stay tuned and get ready to transform your life. Let's be real for a second. How many times have you set a New Year's resolution to lose weight only to find yourself right back where you started a few weeks later? It's not your fault. We're often bombarded with these extreme diet plans that promise the world but leave us feeling defeated. That's why setting realistic goals is key. Instead of aiming to lose 20 pounds in a month, start with something achievable like cutting out sugary drinks or incorporating a 30-minute walk into your day. These small victories will build your confidence and keep you motivated. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long haul. So, ditch the crash diets and the all-or-nothing mentality. Focus on progress, not perfection. And hey, write those goals down and stick them somewhere you'll see them every day, on your bathroom mirror, your fridge, even your phone background. It's a constant reminder of what you're working towards. We've all been there. It's 7 p.m., you're exhausted, and the last thing you want to do is cook a healthy meal. That's where meal prepping comes in, your new best friend in the kitchen. Think of it as setting yourself up for success. Spend a couple of hours on the weekend prepping your meals for the week. Chop up some veggies, grill some chicken, portion out healthy snacks. You'll thank yourself later. Not only does meal prepping save you time and energy during the week, but it also helps you make healthier choices. When you have nutritious meals ready to go, you're less likely to reach for that bag of chips or order takeout. Plus, let's talk about saving money. Eating out less often can do wonders for your wallet, so grab your containers, put on some music, and let's get prepping. You know, staying hydrated is important, but did you know it can actually help you lose weight? It's true. Drinking enough water throughout the day can help curb those pesky cravings and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Often we mistake thirst for hunger. So next time you reach for a snack, try drinking a glass of water first and see if that does the trick. Aim for at least 8 glasses a day. And no, sugary drinks don't count. Water is also essential for boosting your metabolism and burning calories. It helps your body flush out toxins and transport nutrients, keeping everything running smoothly. So make it a habit to carry a water bottle with you everywhere you go. Add some lemon or cucumber for a refreshing twist. Your body will thank you. Now before you start picturing intense gym sessions, remember, every little bit counts. We're not talking about becoming a bodybuilder overnight, it's about incorporating movement into your daily routine. Think of it this way. Exercise is like a turbocharger for your metabolism. It helps you burn calories, build muscle, and boost your energy levels. Plus, it releases those feel-good endorphins that can do wonders for your mood. Find activities you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing, swimming, hiking, or simply taking a brisk walk in the park. Make it social. Grab a friend or family member to join you. And remember, consistency is key. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Did you know that getting enough sleep can actually help you make healthier food choices? It's true. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hunger hormone ghrelin and less of the satiety hormone leptin. This means you're more likely to crave sugary, fatty foods and feel less satisfied after eating. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. This gives your body enough time to rest, repair, and recharge. Establish a consistent sleep schedule even on weekends to regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle. Create a relaxing bedtime routine, take a warm bath, read a book, or listen to calming music. Make sure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet to promote optimal sleep. Remember, prioritizing sleep is not a luxury. It's an essential part of a healthy lifestyle, just like diet and exercise. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content like this. We're here to support you every step of the way. Remember, just 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference in achieving your diet goals in 2025. Small changes, big results, that's what we're all about. Now go out there, crush those goals, and show yourself what you're truly capable of. we believe in you.